Boston's news leader. This is WCVB News Center 5.
Hi, everybody. A quick update on the storm. A coastal flood warning. Really concerned about that, especially the high tide around 4:27 a.m. There are going to be moderate areas of coastal flooding and possibly pockets of major coastal flooding. That is one of the real worries with this particular storm. In addition, we are watching the blizzard warning, of course, and we're going to see that. Gusts could reach 65, 75, especially around the Cape and the islands, but even all the way up to Boston, we're going to have strong winds. Now, in terms of snow, we've already seen 3, 4, 5, 6 inches along the south coast and down on Cape Cod. Couple of inches over southeastern Mass, and now the accumulations are starting to spread northward because you can see the heavier bands of snow right in here, and they're all rotating up with time, and that's what's going to happen. Some of these bands are going to produce 2 or 3 inches of snow per hour. That's going to happen from the rest of the night, starting an hour or two from now in Boston, all the way well into the morning tomorrow, and it'll be a very slow end later tomorrow night, finally ending early on Wednesday. By then, looks like a wide swath of 18 to 24 inches and over 2 feet in places, especially around the North Shore, maybe even in Boston and the South Shore and interior southeastern Mass. It's only in the teens in Worcester, upper 20s Boston, and a wetter snow down on the Cape, and that's where we're concerned with potential power outages because the winds are now gusting to almost 50 miles an hour on Nantucket, and those winds are only going to continue, and this is how the gusts should peak out. So we'll follow all aspects of the storm. We'll have another report for you coming up shortly, and News Center 5 is going to be on at 10 o'clock tonight, on until midnight, so we'll see you with that. Now it's on to The Bachelor.